What is going on, ladies? So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, but it's going to be like a voiceover style. It's going to be for this hair from Morichy, super cute natural curl pattern girl, and this makeup. One of the looks that I do often, y'all, and y'all always request a makeup look, so why not give y'all both all in one video? You know what I'm saying? It's mad cute though. You can't front, girl, so stick around and let's see how we got it all together. Yo, what is good? Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back. I know it's been a while. I think I was going for like 30 days. I said 30 days, like being all proper. Girl, I don't know how much days it was. It's been like a month, over a month, since I recorded something because I was ill. Y'all know what's up. We ain't going to have to mention all that here. Y'all know what I was ill with because everybody getting ill, okay? Big shout out to Morichy for sponsoring this video one more time. And it's the same unit one more time. I'm going to be styling this unit in this natural curl pattern. See, last time I curled it. If you did not see the initial video with this unit, definitely check it out. I actually put some curls in the unit which held up pretty good, but I don't want to say too much. Y'all can watch that over there. I will link it in the description box and it'll pop up somewhere around here. But I will also share with you how I got this makeup look. Y'all been requesting makeup looks. Like, girl, you did a makeup look? You did a look? You did a look? You recorded it? I didn't, but I did it this time. But you could go ahead and use the timestamps if you want to jump from the hair portion to the makeup portion and back to the hair portion. I will timestamp it so you can watch what you want to watch. If you're just here for the hair, if you just want to see the makeup, y'all get my drift. But we're gonna go ahead and dive into the video, so let's go. So as you can see, the curl pattern is really pretty. It's their loose deep wave curl pattern, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is a 4x4, so I did decide to part it on the side, and I will be adding a little bit of baby hairs up in here, y'all. But as far as styling, it was really simple, okay? If you're just gonna use the curl pattern the way it is, simple, you don't have to flatten it, you don't have to curl it or anything like that. So I think that is really great, especially for like an everyday kind of unit. The only thing that I did do was tweeze the hairline, but that was in the other video, the previous video. So if you want to see it, like I said, check it out. And I will be going ahead and I'm starting the makeup shortly, and I'll finish the last little bit of finishing touches to this unit afterwards. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place. This is a cheek palette, the blush palette, and I like to use it for my eyeshadow because it's super pigmented, and the main color I'm using there is that nude color at the bottom, y'all. That nude color will go on top of this concealer that I'm blending in. And it's going to act as a base and just kind of dry out that concealer as well, so I have something nice and fresh to work with. Now I'm going to jump into this orange blush, and that's going to be like the base of my color, okay? That's what's going to make this color stand out. And then I will take a fluffier brush and I'm going to go in with that darker blush, and I'm going to add that to the outer corner, and I will blend it in some. Now you are free to go back in with the other color and add it to where you feel like you blend it out too much, you want to get the color back, that's fine. You just play around. You could be as messy as you want with this stuff, y'all, because when it comes to eyeshadow looks and stuff like this, especially if you're doing like something gradient, I feel like it's really hard to mess it up. And then once you put your lashes and stuff on, you can't see it unless somebody's really up on you if you really mess it up. So just take your time and have fun, okay? Don't stress. Now I'm going in with my Becca 24-hour Ultimate Coverage Foundation. And I am using a brush, okay? I was not trying to get my nails all messy with the Beauty Blender. You know how that goes. And I'm just going to dabble that in, you guys. As it oxidizes, it does get a little bit darker and blends to my skin a little bit better. I like this foundation, okay? I heard Becca going out of business, but I'm not really sure, okay? I'm gonna have to look up on that. But anyways, using a smaller precision brush like you see me using will allow you to get closer to your brows and stuff like that, so you don't have to mess up and get some of that foundation in your brows using a big brush. You know how that go. Now, this is also Juvia's Place. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box. So if you feel like you missed something or I didn't say the name properly, it will be listed down below, so don't trip. Sometimes I don't do my forehead area depending on how I feel, but today I feel like doing it. And this brush is actually not a foundation brush. I think it's like a highlighter brush or something. I use whatever I could. I'll be like, okay, this little leg's gonna get the job done, so I'm gonna just use it, okay? I'm not very like big on using a brush that you know, if it say it's for this, I'm gonna use it for that. I'm gonna use it for whatever I can use it for. Now, this is the color Espresso. It's the Matchsticks from Fenty. I am using this with a dense brush to dabble in some contours. Sometimes I don't do that because I have very high cheekbones, so you could see it without me contouring. But because I wanted to deepen it up a little more and accentuate my features, I went ahead and I did that. But you can skip this step because I will also be adding on some powder contour after. And yes, I took it back with Sacha Buttercup. You know, we used to love this stuff, okay? And I'm taking this little fluffy thing. I forgot what it's called. This pad. And I am just making sure I press it in really good in all of the areas that I highlighted. Pressing it in allows it to look nice and seamless when it does dry and when you do wipe it away. And I'm using translucent medium deep Laura Mercier Air setting powder. And I am using that same thing. And I am just going to pack that on my entire face, not the eyes. Okay, leave the eyeshadow alone. And I'll take a powder brush and I will sweep everything in together. So now that I have powder all over my face, I know it's going to set. I just want to make sure everything blends together. So this is blending any harsh lines. Blending is what's going to get your face to look seamless, you guys, okay? Now, I will be using this bronzer brush from Alamar Cosmetics along with these two bronzers. Now, Cocoa Naughty is a lighter color, and I like to use it mainly to set the contour. And then sometimes I go in with the Mocha Mommy, which I will be doing, and that will deepen the color and just allow it to look a little more red. It has more like a red hint, in my opinion. And then you can blend everything together if it looks a little too harsh, okay? So I will be adding that blush now to the cheeks, not to the eyes, but this stuff is pigmented. Y'all already know, because look at my eyes. It did a great job on my eyes. I will be blending that out too. You have to have a light hand for that, because that stuff ain't no joke. Now, this highlighter is one of my favorites. I use it in almost every single look, you guys. It looks natural, and the longer your makeup sits on, so after like 15 minutes, after it oxidizes and kind of melts into your skin, it just looks super, super natural. I love this highlighter, you guys. I absolutely love it. So yes, I had to dip into it this time too. Now, as far as the bottom of my eyes, I'm just adding the same exact colors that I added to the top, just so it's not so plain and bland down there. And I'll use this e.l.f. Dewy setting spray, which I love because it's super cheap. I got it from Walmart for like $4 or $5, and it gives you a nice natural finish. Now, this is prepping for my falsies. My lashes are really thin, so it's kind of hard to put falsies on it without putting something a little hard on it first, so I can have something to stick to. And now I'm just working on my lips, okay? So this is ColourPop. This is a ColourPop combo. This is one of their lip liners, and then I'll be using Cookie. This is a lippy sticks. It's supposed to be matte. It's like a soft matte, but it's one of my favorites. This is one of the nude lippies I use like all the freaking time, you guys. I do switch up my products sometimes, but for the most part, this is my #1 go-to. I like to blend it out because I don't like to have that harsh lip liner line. It makes it look like a mustache, in my opinion, and we don't want that. So make sure you clean them here. You know, if you have a foundation on it, that ain't cute. All right. Now, this lash glue and this lashes, they're both from Kiss. Ruby Kisses sent me over the lashes, so shout out to them. But as far as that glue goes, it's like $2.99 on Amazon. It looks white, but it dries clear to the point that you can't see it at all, and it actually holds your lashes. I love this stuff. And I actually need to re-up because I am running out, so yeah, okay? And I will be adding mascara to the bottom. That always just juices up the eye look a whole lot more, so take your time with it. I'm speeding up the video, but I moved really slow. This is my lash finishing touches, and now we're moving into the hair. Now I'm gonna add that powder to the parting space like I usually do, nothing new. And then I will go in with the darker color, and I will add it more towards the front where my contour kind of area starts. And then I will also add it to the entire lace part that you see, so everything is seamless. And I will set it because it's makeup. I don't want it bouncing around. I want it to set and melt into the hair, the skin, the lace, whatever you want to call it. And that mousse did not hold my hair back as much as I wanted it to. So I did go in with some of this Aussie freeze spray to kind of sleek back the hair and dry it in place. And then I did that to both sides, and I'm going to use my wig grip to keep that in place for a little bit and just mold it while I change my clothes, okay? So I will say it looks really good. And the only thing that I did to this hair, you guys, which I said is super easy, perfect for every day, is I wet it, and I didn't add any mousse. I didn't add any foam because I didn't want to harden the hair up. The hair is so freaking soft, and the curl pattern is so pretty that I did not want to make it hard, that I just went in with some argan oil, and that's more so for the end so it doesn't get frizzy or anything like that. And that's it. That is it. I didn't have to mousse it up or anything. The curl pattern is gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. I don't think I will ever curl this unit again just because I like how easy it is just to leave it the way it is. But we're going to go ahead and show
you the results really quick so you can see what the hair is looking like. And then I'm gonna show you, give you a little close up on the makeup, and then we'll end off this video. But I will say this, the hair was really easy to style, especially when you leave it in this natural curl pattern. It's just less work. And this makeup look is super easy to follow as well. It's one of my everyday looks. One of them when I want some color up there on my eyeshadow, but everything else like the face and stuff is normally as is. But this hair is flowing, it's moving, it has some length on it, super duper pretty. I'm not mad at anything. I love how everything came out, y'all, that I actually was like, wait, I have more videos to film, but I'm gonna take a pause and I'm gonna go outside and take a little bit of pictures, which I did. I'll insert some so you can see it.
That wraps this video up, y'all. So I think I like it. I think it came out so cute. And honestly, I like the curl pattern exactly how it is. Like the curls that I put in it was cute and all, but I'm feeling it more like this. And it's more relaxed. It's easier. You just wash it and it just no moves to define it. It's gorgeous, y'all. It's gorgeous and so freaking soft, and I love this makeup look. These are the type of makeup looks I do all the time. If I would add some color, I keep it pretty simple. I keep it pretty much the same or whatever. But if y'all enjoyed this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and comment down below. Listen, please give me some comments. Show your girl some love, okay? Comment something below, even if you just say, hey girl, welcome back, something like that, okay? Of course, the information to this unit will be linked in the description box below, and again, the initial review will be listed there as well. Okay, thank you, Morichy. Thank you, Morichy. I do like this unit though, and it's a 4x4. You can't tell though. This is cute. This is cute. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, I'll holla. Stay safe out there, okay? But stay cute. I'll see y'all later.